Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to translate a PDF and DeepL. So actually guys, I'm going to show you a method and it's the best and the easiest on DeepL, okay? It's to upload the PDF, okay? So using the DeepL translator, you will need to go and click on the translate files, the option that you can find at the left hand menu. It's the second one. Click it just like so, and right here you will be able to upload your PDF file, or here where you can upload it. Okay, so as you can see, to upload more than one file, you will need to have the Pro subscription. Okay, so get the Pro subscription first, and then go and click on translate. Okay, and after that, after clicking on translate the file, you will need to choose the file from your PC or your device files and folders, and just select the PDF and choose the target language from here. Okay, so let's say that I want to translate PDF, it's in English, and I want to translate it to French. Okay, and now you will need to look for an option. It says translate. Click it, and once finished, just click on download. So what you get afterward, a translated document, usually like the docs or PDF, and layout information are mostly preserved. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.